always have clients tell me that when their hair is long and fine, they'll have little pieces that constantly want to fall in the face. This is what you can do about that. Take your favorite mousse, and it doesn't have to be particularly a strong mousse. It can be a soft mousse like this one, and just take a bit of the mousse, then take a styling comb, okay? Dip it in the mousse like so. Then this way, it's right in the teeth. And then what you do is you go through and you comb around the hair line. And what that's going to do is it's going to get all the baby hairs and keep them out of the face. In addition to that, if it's firm enough, what it's going to do is keep the hair off your face. If you want to add texture to the hair after that, then you would take and just kind of work the mousse through. But that's a great way to affect changing your hair in hot summer weather, getting it off your face and even the nape of your neck. If you were to pull it back in a ponytail and then bring it up underneath, you can get control of it that way as well. And if you work the hair, if you're using a product that you don't really like how the polymers feel when they dry, this one feels terrific if you've never tried it. It's the Surface Awaken Mousse. Really good stuff. We like this one. But if you don't care for the way the polymers feel when yours dry, then just take and work the hair with heat wherever you've put it, and that will soften it. That works really, really, really well also.